Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is a Saturday.
I'm sleepy.
And we are on our way to officeworks to pick up our Instax Mini 11. It's been available since yesterday, but he had to go to work, so we're just picking it up now, and then I'll let you know what else. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is a Saturday. Happy Saturday everyone. Hope everyone is staying safe. So for today's video, as you can see in the title below, it is about our Instax Mini 11. Right, just to let you know guys, I never had any instant cameras before. This is my first instant camera, so what I'm gonna show you is like my genuine reaction with instant camera. And let us start. I haven't opened anything yet. It is still in the paper bag. I just picked it up earlier today, and let us start. Alright. So in the bag, I ordered 100 shot pack. So it was cheaper to grab more. So I grabbed this one in officeworks. I didn't grab it online. Like I did order it online for a click and collect, not delivered. So it is cheaper to order more than to just order 20 sheets, 10 sheets, or 50. So I went for the 100. This cost me $84 if I'm not mistaken. Let me just see. I think the price is over here. No, the price is not here. But yeah, it cost me $84 for a 100 shot box. And now for the main event, the Instax Mini 11. Yee! Yes, I did order the gray one. I didn't want to order the blue one or the pink one or the purple one. I just think for cameras, black will always be the best color for a camera. I love blue. My favorite color is blue, but no, I didn't went for the blue this time. I love black when it comes to camera. So I haven't opened it yet, just now. Let us see. Alright, so in the box you have the precaution and handling Instax film. So it says here, do not open the back cover until you have used up the film. Otherwise, the rest of the film is exposed and turns white. The film can no longer be used. Alright, make sure that we keep that in mind. And this is the camera. Alright. I also watched a few people regarding this one, and they said to make sure to use the proper batteries. Yeah, it said you always need to use an alkaline battery, because apparently if you use a different sort of battery, it may ruin your camera. And it comes with this one. Yeah, so it comes with this one that you put on the button. Of course, it's for the button. But yeah, I'll show you in a bit where it goes. You have a strap as well. Just open this and attach it to the camera in a bit. And don't forget to read this one, the manual. I will have a read on this once I'm at work. I'll bring it to work. Yeah, I have work. So I'm trying to rush this. What time is it? Oh. It's almost time. I need to go soon. But yeah, it shows you instruction as well. Just so you know what the hell is going on. Alright, now let us open the camera. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so compact. This is so small. This is really small. So I got the Instax Mini 11, as you can see in the name of the box earlier. Instax Mini 11. It cost me $100 Australian dollars, so it's not that bad. I think it's a new release, not very sure, but yeah. All right, let's put the accessories. First, the battery. The battery goes here. You can see there is a battery sign over here, so you just open it. All right, so I just opened it, and now let us put our battery in. You just need to be very careful because apparently a lot of people say that this breaks easily, so be careful when you try to put it back in and not break it. Yeah, so I survived that one. Now let us try to put the sticker on it. All right, this is the button that I'm talking about. It's for the shutter. So this is the shutter over here. If you don't want the cute buttons that they go with it, it's fine. You can still use it. But I'm too much and I want to put it on. There. I use the white one. You can see. And I also put the hand strap just to secure this. Now, to turn it on, you have to press this one over here. Now it's open. So you can see it says on the top, you can put it on a selfie mode if you push it higher. So pull it, I mean. There you go. You can see this is selfie on. So that is how to put the selfie mode on. And just to put it back in and just put it on again, and the selfie mode is gone. I think that is the disadvantage of this one. You have to literally turn it off, and a lot of people are saying that they do not like it because of you can't control the brightness that is coming in the aperture and stuff. But I think it's better because the Instax Mini 9 has that clip-on thing, if I'm not mistaken, and you can easily lose that one. But with this one, you just have to push it forward for the selfie mode to have it on. But for the Instax Mini 9, you have to attach something on it just to have the selfie mode on. All right, let us put in a film. All right, now about the film. We need to be very careful and make sure to not touch whatever that is meant to be not touched. Okay, let's open it. Be very, very careful. Now let us open this now as well. So you can see there is no film. And that's what is written in there. No film yet. But as soon as we put a film in, you will see that it will change. But yeah, on this one, for the film, we need to be very careful. Make sure to not touch those ones. Even this one. Just hold it at the top. Now, as you can see, it has a yellow thing in there. I'm not touching it, just to let you know. But yeah, it has a yellow thing over there. Same as the film where you put your film in. It has a yellow in there as well. So just to make it easier for everyone to know how to put the film in, you just have to align the yellow here to the yellow mark over there. Let me show you. without touching it. Okay, this is pretty hard. See? Yellow to yellow. Put it in. They are now aligned. They're now aligned. Close it. Now, you saw at the first part, it has that big no touching part. So what we do is to get rid of that first. This one. Yeah, touch it. Get rid of it. Now it's fine. Now it is ready to use, and you remember it had an S here before. Now it says 10, so that is the number of films you have left. Now let us try this before I go to work. What to take photo? Should I take photos of the babies at the back? My babies. Alright, maybe I'll just try to take photos of the babies. But yeah, I saw on somewhere in YouTube as well to make sure you have the right distance so that the photo doesn't come out bad. And we'll see how that goes. Let me try to take photos of the babies first, and then I'll show you how it looks. You need a good distance. Not too close, not too far. Too close, I think it makes the photo get blur. Too far is okay, but really you can't see what you took photo of. So you really need a good distance. Alright, we took a photo of Jiggy. Let's just wait for it to print. Yeah, so they said to not flick it. You know how a lot of people do that? They flick it. They shake this bloody thing, thinking that the photo will come out faster doing this, doing this, doing this. No, you don't do that. You wait for it. See, it's almost there. Yeah, you wait for it to just do its thing. Because if you keep on flicking that, it's doing something with the chemicals that is on the film. So we just leave it down, wait for the thing, do its magic, and take more photos. But yeah, I just took a photo of Jiggy. Jiggy's right over there, and we'll see. I think it's a good 3 minutes to wait for the photo to print, and then after that we'll see. Okay, I will try to play with it more tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this video tomorrow. I'm gonna try to play it with other photos tomorrow. Might take a photo of a selfie, might try to take a photo outside. But in Australia this time it has been rainy, so tomorrow it's going to be really cloudy. We'll see how the photo will go with a cloudy weather we have. It's not sunny at all, so I just tried it indoors in the room, and then tomorrow I'm going to try a selfie, or maybe tonight, and then we're going to try a selfie outside as well, and then we're going to try to take nature photo tomorrow and see how it will go. I have to go to work. I'll see you guys tomorrow again, and then this video is gonna be uploaded tomorrow if it's a good instant camera, if it's a good instant camera, if it's worth buying, and all of that. But I think for me it looks like it's a good buy. A lot of people are complaining that it doesn't have what do you call it, a countdown for the photo, taking a photo. I don't see why you do want an instant camera with a countdown. It's instant. I don't get it. Also, they're complaining about the flash. You can't turn it off. Cover it. It's not that hot. Cover it and then take the photo. It should be fine. Everything can be manipulated easily. I'm not sure how long it has been, but this is the photo of my baby. There you go. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. It's a good photo, and we will play with it more tomorrow. I'm just gonna write on something at the bottom. I do love doing that, and I might need to buy an album for this. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, I am back. I didn't get to take a photo yesterday, so we are gonna try to do it today, our outdoors photos for our Polaroid. Alright, I'll cut back to you. I'll show you the photos that I took at the end of the video. Alright guys, as you can see, it's been a really gloomy weather here in Sydney. It's starting to rain now. Oh my god, it's quick drops. So we're gonna try to have a quick photos of the plants, and I'll show you the photos at the end of the video. Alright guys, so the photos are now all fully developed, so we can now see how they look like. So these two are indoor photos. I took a selfie. It doesn't look that bad at all. Like, a lot of people are saying that the Mini 11 is not as good as the Mini 9. I'm not sure how the Mini 9 is, but as I can see, Mini 11 is doing great. That is not using the selfie mode, and it's already zoom enough. And then I took a selfie with hubby. See, didn't use the selfie mode, and it's fine. Now the ones outside are a bit blurry because it was raining, so I had to rush taking the photos, but they still came out good. See, the colors are still there. It's very nice. You saw how dark it is outside with a really gloomy weather on. It still came out great. And the photo of our cactus over here. Hold on, let me just fix my... See? Photo of the cactus. Still worked out great with my foot over there. And the succulent. But yeah, if you can see, let me just see it properly. See? It is still a beautiful, like, the print is still beautiful. Colors are great, even though it's dark outside. Indoor photos still work out awesome. And yeah, that is our Instax Mini 11, and that is my review. I find it really good. If you, this is my first instant camera again, and it's beautiful. I can't complain with anything. It works out really good. Grab yours. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.